49.
So that what you're getting super heat?
That's also cool. Or
No, this is
no,
super heat. So what do you got? 49? Or no, so you're supposed to do this one minus the blue one if you're doing super heat. Remember, it's line minus gauge.
50.
50, right? So what is the temperature of this
10.
line?
10. Sounds good.
So
Just
yeah,
10.
10 super heat. Now let's see your subcool. So it's gonna be a gauge. What do we got on our gauge?
109.
109, and then we got 90 on your line, so we got 20 subcool. Pretty good, guys. Pretty good. Probably tiny bit overcharged, tiny bit, but it'll work fine, guys. It'll work.
Will we ever touch this big ass unit?
Yeah, and commercial AC.
It looks industrial.
I like this one. Pulling out nice. Huh? We're getting older.
Just to get a refresh.